Least harmful environmental effects. Well, nuclear energy is it. Don't forget that that is a non-renewable resource because it's it's pulled out of the ground. There's also the heat that's given off of it. They have to do something with that as well. They usually use water to cool it and pump the water out to holding ponds outside the power plants. It's not radioactive, but it does heat up the area, and certain species can't adapt to that. Fossil fuels obviously hurt the environment. The CO2 emissions, other nasty things that come out of fossil fuels, power plants and things, heavy industry. They can also release sulfur dioxide, which can create sulfuric or acid rain. Solar energy is pretty clean. It's a renewable resource as well. And hydroelectric is also a renewable resource. But out of these two, hydroelectric still has a problem where basically when you put up a dam, the water behind it's going to flood the ecosystem behind it as you build up that the water levels. And it also will keep the water from flowing as it did in the past downstream from the dam. And that can cause other problems as well, particularly with migratory animals, certain fish that would move up and down the stream. That can cause problems. But with solar panels, really not a lot after they're built of harmful effects. Of course, there are some harmful effects in the construction, but same thing with a nuclear power plant or a hydroelectric dam. There's always going to be costs and environmental costs with the construction of them. But after they're built, the solar one is probably the least harmful.